Well, this is a first for me. A Swedish company sent me a little something. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Hasselblad 907x 100C, their new 100 megapixel digital medium format waist level viewfinder camera. Definitely a throwback to their 500 series V system camera. Look at that. This is what they're throwing it back to. Let's unbox this thing. Oh. Oh. Now this is surprising. This is a hot shoe mount. There's electronics in here. There's a flash sync cable. Looks like there's actually a focus screen mask. This is for the V series cameras. The digital sensor, it's medium format, it's huge, it's bigger than full frame, but it is smaller than a piece of square 120 film. They give you this to mask the viewfinder glass so that you can better identify the digital still you've been taking. So that's the brand new Hasselblad 907x 100C, the 100 megapixel digital medium format vintage waist level viewfinder camera. This body style is probably not for everybody, but much like the aesthetic of a Porsche 911, I am drawn to this. I like bringing this camera out on film sets. I work in film production. I'm a cinematographer. And when I bring this camera out on film set, it always catches people's eye. It always causes people to ask questions. It gets the crew excited about the day. It kind of elevates everybody's attitude about the art that we're making. Stick around, follow along. I'm trying to use any word but subscribe. Stay tuned. Oh, geez. I don't care. I don't care if you listen. Just go away. Leave. Don't come back.
Okay, Hilton, talk. Please let me have 200 likes. Subscribe me. I'm a Minecraft player. I play 250 times on Minecraft, and I'm pretty good at Minecraft. Please like and subscribe.